Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to the Regio1st Planning Framework tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you through the Stakeholder Identification and Analysis tool, which is a key component of Stage 4 in the Regio1st Planning Framework. The Stakeholder Identification and Analysis tool is designed to help you systematically identify and analyze the key stakeholders for your regional energy plan. By categorizing stakeholders based on their influence and interest, this tool provides tailored recommendations for effective management. So let's dive into how you can use this tool. The process is straightforward and involves three main steps. Begin by filling out the stakeholder identification table. List all potential stakeholders who might have an interest or influence over your energy plan. Include individuals, groups, organizations, and any other relevant entities. Then move on to the stakeholder analysis table. Here you will rate each stakeholder's influence and interest on a scale of 1 to 5. Influence refers to their ability to affect the project's outcomes, while interest indicates how concerned they are with the project's impacts. A high rating signifies a high level of influence or interest. Based on your inputs in the analysis table, the tool generates tailored engagement recommendations. These suggestions help you determine how best to engage with stakeholders, ensuring their concerns are addressed and their influence is appropriately managed. The tool is dynamic, meaning you can update the influence and interest ratings as stakeholders' positions change over time. This flexibility ensures that your engagement strategies remain relevant and effective throughout the project. So here are a few practical tips for using the tool effectively. First, replace the dummy data with actual information relevant to your project. Second, regularly update the ratings to reflect any changes in stakeholder influence or interest. And finally, use the engagement recommendations to guide your interactions with stakeholders, but always consider the unique context of your project. So thank you for watching this tutorial on the Stakeholder Identification and Analysis tool. For more information and tools, visit our website and explore the other tools available in the Regio1st Planning Framework.